Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you the results of our new development, Japanese to English dash conversion of Honda Vezel Hybrid. There are versions with CTBA from about 2014 and later models with LCAS from about 2016. This video is for the model with CTBA. All menus and warning messages in its sophisticated color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. There are over 230 Japanese words and phrases in settings and in various notification and warning messages. We've managed to translate all of them. After conversion, Instrument Cluster displays notifications, statistics, and offers selection of various settings in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. There are various settings in the instrument cluster. You will find it to be much more user-friendly when those are in English. Clock adjustments, driving support system setup, which includes city brake active system and reactive force pedal, outside temperature display adjustments, trip A and B resets, meter ambient light color settings where you could choose from blue to purple, pink, amber, red and yellow, settings for keyless access beep volume, settings for door handle operation beep response, interior light settings, auto door lock and unlock settings, settings for keyless lock response and relock timings, and settings for security function. Thank you for watching.